CNC one-piece casting aluminum cutting machine is suitable for cutting aluminum, window door, and curtain wall profiles, with 4 working modes: form, manual, short, and USB transmission processing, fully satisfying users' various production needs. Right head is with linear square rail rack and pioneer movement, with accurate positioning, smooth and stable working. To avoid cutting errors caused by the middle sagging of profile, the machine is equipped with 3 automatic lifting stands to support profile. Machine adopts high-precision feeding system. Its mechanical system adopts Taiwan Shack square rail, Shack sliding block, and YYC high-precision rack and pioneer, which makes the machine with high precision and good stability. Machine head is equipped with CNC high-end spindle motor. Saw blades use diamond saw blade. Machine head can automatically change the angle to achieve out 45 and 90 cutting degree. Cover shells can automatically rise and fall, which makes safe and convenient during usage. The right head cut-off panning device not only improves productivity, but also ensures the safety during sewing profiles. LCD touchscreen is with easy and intuitive operation and easy to master. Machine is with fault alarm and troubleshooting measures reminder. Not only protect personnel and equipment, but also ensure smooth production. In a word, CNC one-piece casting precision aluminum cutting machine is with high precision and efficiency that can meet customers' different types and sizes processing requirements. Also with energy saving and environmental protection safety features. Hasana CNC one-piece casting precision saw. You are worthy to have it.